This is a Tropic 60 pole heater, and I'm going to be replacing the, I've actually already taken it out. It's the Millivolt probe to actually power the unit. So here's the front. You can look at it from the side. On the back, I'd taken the pipes off because I thought that I had to actually go into the thing from the top to get to the Millivolt adapter, which I found out was wrong. There's a lot of screws that actually go into the whole top frame of this thing. I can't really show you well, but this pulls off. There's 4 screws. There's screws around the entire outside. But essentially, once you get all the screws off and you take the top off of the thing, all you can really see is the heating element that's inside of there. So to get inside of the thing, there's actually 4 bolts. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I had to remove a bolt right here, a bolt straight back right here, another one right here, and another one that you can't see that sort of sits behind here, and then another one that's right back in here. Once you get all of these bolts out of the unit, this tray actually pulls out with the entire unit. You have to disconnect the wires, which I have off right now. They run up into the top for the temperature control and power. But basically this whole unit pulls forward, and I have some of the parts here that I'm going to just push to the side. The whole unit pulls out. And the burners will start falling on you as you pull on this thing. Once you get the unit out, some of the burners sort of lift out of the back here. Actually sit on the front on some pins for the gas. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then they sort of wedge you into the back with a weird looking fitting. One of them actually has a screw in it, and it doesn't come off until you actually take the screw out. It's right here. Once you take this screw out and you actually loosen up this the gas line. And actually, when I took the gas line off, I took it off on the top here. I'm not going to take it back apart. Once you take this off, you can take the whole the gas burner assembly off. Then you can actually get down inside here where this stupid Millivolt goes. And mine was rusted in here so bad that I actually had to pound it out with a hammer. And one of the mistakes that I made when I was pounding it out is I actually widened the top of the Millivolt. Here's the one that I took out, and then I wasn't able to push it down through the hole, so I pounded it down to get it to the point where it was going to come out, and then it was too wide, so I had to file it along the top to get it to pop out. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I am going to have to take this back apart again completely to get this thing back into here. Again, here's the bottom. You can see where it goes. It attaches to the front here, and then it connects underneath the bottom here. And there's just a little clip, I don't know if you can see it or not, that holds it in place. It's right there. But again, mine was rusted in there so bad I had to pound it out. Anyhow, Tropic 60, how to get the unit out. These are old. My unit's actually over 20 years old, but it still works great. I hope to get another 5 or 10 years out of it heating my pole.